All right, the drink we're about to make is called Sacks with Tea. All right, we're going to serve this as a chilled shot. Let's put some ice in a glass and measure out of Canadian whiskey. And 3/4 of an ounce of amaretto. And 1/4 of an ounce of peach schnapps. And next we'll just add some pineapple juice, just about an ounce, and orange juice, ounce of that as well. And we'll shake it up. Don't really need to shake it, just mix it back and forth a couple of times. And get your shot glasses. And go ahead and strain it in. All right. And that is Sacks with a Tea, a nice citrusy, cool shot. Not really going to taste a whole lot of alcohol in it, if any at all. Bottoms up.